Mangala Group of Educational Institutions has been bridging the gap between education and healthcare in Mangalore. Colleges under the group have nurtured the career dreams of several students. Our students have been placed in the defense sector in India as well as in renowned hospitals worldwide. Adequate amenities are provided to the students like transport, canteens and hostels. A well-stocked library, state-of-the-art laboratories, regular skill development courses, e-library system, a vast ground with focus on co-curricular and extracurricular activities are few among the support we offer. The Mangala Group of Educational Institutions offers quality courses in nursing, paramedical sciences, allied health sciences, physiotherapy, and speech and hearing. The journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single bus ride to college. Explore and experience the exceptional quality of education at Mangala Group of Educational Institutions.
ಸುದ್ದಿ ಚಾನಲ್ ಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷಣದ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ